With Anthony Olaseni Joshua, the current IBF world champion. Very glad and honored to have a fellow Nigerian with me live from the Laureus World Sports Award. Congratulations for your recent achievement that has catapulted you into the eyes of the world. How does that make you feel?
Very humbled and very honored, not just for myself but for the people that have worked with me. So it's important that I can only repay them with achieving things in the ring.
Well, when you achieved that feat, there was an argument of nationality.
Yeah.
Nigerians claimed you, the British claimed you. I want you to set the record straight.
I set the record straight.
Where do you have your heart? Where does your heart lie?
Citizens of the world. All this political stuff where this is British, this is Nigerian, we're citizens of the world. That's the most important thing. But my heart is with Nigeria, my heart is with Britain. I'm a Nigerian man by blood, yes.
Yeah, but people have complained that when people commit crimes, the British attach them to Nigeria. But when they achieve success, they say they are British.
Focus on the success.
Okay, good.
Stop committing the crime and let's focus on the success.
And you are one of the success.
This is it.
You have become a huge talk in Nigeria.
Yes.
After that achievement, every radio station, every TV station talked about you. How did that make you feel back home in the UK?
How
did that make you feel that people are talking about you in Nigeria?
Because I'm even trying to get out there to meet the governor and go and give something back to Nigeria. Even though, as I say, we do small things for the country. Within my family and my mother, we help out the village she came from. And if I can do more on a larger scale, I'll definitely come back there and associate myself more with Nigeria.
What's your connection with Nigeria? Do you eat Nigerian food? Do you watch Nigerian movies? Do you listen to Nigerian music?
Give away my secret, but that's the pounded jam, eba, egusi. So that's the secret of the success.
So can you speak Yoruba?
Dear now. Dear, small.
Kilo shele.
I'm good.
Bawoni.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Listen, I appreciate you.